What would you recommend in the text?
Wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you need. Repeat, 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 repeat. Because if you keep changing your message, you're communicating to them that you're talking to yourself, right? Listen to the difference. Hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed. Hey, you know, a lot of times we see black and blue and it's normally green, and it's like I eventually am a crazy person at a bus stop talking to an alternate universe. We have a lot of that going around right now. Like, you deserve an answer to your question. Don't be afraid to ask it multiple times. They're not taking score of how many times you asked them that. And if anything, if they were, they're going to feel bad about themselves for ignoring you. If you keep changing your message every time you talk to them, you're just talking to yourself, and it's exponentially easier for them to ignore you, right? I would just, I would hit them with the same message. I wouldn't hit it with them every day, but you're in mortgage, so you got to act quick because time kills your deals. I'd hit them maybe every 48 hours, right? Once a day for 3 days, and then once every 2 days for 2 weeks, and then once a month, or figure out your cadence there. But you can keep asking the same question until you get an answer. Yeah. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a like. And if you want to get better, if you want to start making more money, if you want sales to finally be easy, check out the link in my bio or comment with the word sales. I will reach out to you personally about getting you access to the Easton University Learning Portal, and you and I working together twice a week. I want to be your mentor, and I want you to dominate your industry, and I want you to finally make that money you always knew you could.